Hey everyone, this video is going to be about how to use your Power Airfryer Pro Plus cylinder accessory. First off, you want to be sure that it is plugged in. And yeah, so right now you're probably in front of your air fryer, frustrated at this will not rotate at all. You put it in there, it doesn't want to rotate, so I'm not going to babble on too long, but now I'm going to show you how to use this. So, what you want to do is, alright, you want to make sure you have all your components. So you want to make sure you have your drip tray, so that whenever you do install this, it will be able to catch anything that comes out of here. And then you also want to have this, so after you're done cooking, you'll be able to put it in there, get it, and pull it out without, hurting yourself. So, first of all, you see this right here? This is the left side, and that is where you're going to put this at. And then this is going to go right there. So all you're going to want to do is you're going to get your cylinder. Also, be sure you wash your hands before you handle it. If there is food in here, of course. So be sure that you wash your hands and there's no food in here or anything. Like, it's okay. And I already washed my hands. Whatever. So anyway, so you're just gonna slide it in there like so. Okay. You're gonna get it. It's a little bit tricky. Okay. You're gonna adjust it, and there you go. So you're just gonna play around with it, twist it, and whenever you have it right, then it's gonna be only twisting like this. And this is what it looks like on this side. And that's what it looks like on that side. You're gonna close this up. You can press your power button. Go ahead and adjust your temperature. You can go ahead and adjust your temperature. Then you can go ahead and adjust your times. And then you can go ahead and press power button right here. Turn the light on. Now the light on. Alright, now I'm going to show you how you get to rotate. So as you see right now, it's not rotating. Well, this is how you do it. So you see this button right here? It's rotating symbol. You press it, and there you go. And you press it again, and then it goes the other way. You can do it again, and it goes the other way. So there you go. And then once you're done, you press your power button, you open it up, you get your tool, and it's beeping, and you line that up right there, and you pull it right out. You get your food, set it down, and then you enjoy your meal, or you enjoy part of your meal. And then you open it up like that, get your food, close it up, clean up your tray, and there you are. And also, if you want, whenever you're done with it, you can unplug it. So yeah, hope this helped everybody, and this is how to use your cylinder accessory for your Power Airfryer Pro Plus. Everyone have a great day, and I hope this helped everybody out. Please like, comment, and also if you'd like to, subscribe. Thank you, and again, have a great day.